If a ground fault does happen and electricity starts flowing through your body, it could be as simple as a shock to your hands, or it could lead to electrocution. Hi, I'm Stacy, and I'm the product manager for GFCI outlets at Leviton, and we're here to talk to you today about how to keep you and your family safe. Electricity is all around us. It powers our lives, and it's all in our homes. It flows safely through the wiring in our walls. But if there's a problem someplace, it can look for an alternate path, and that could be through you. This is called a ground fault. Ground faults happen when electricity doesn't follow its normal loop back to ground and finds an alternative path. This can happen for many different reasons. Things like frayed wires, problems in an appliance, or water inside the outlet. These situations can lead to big risks. This is why rooms like kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, outdoors, any place there could be water needs special protection. Click the link or watch our next video to learn more about the features of GFCI outlets.